All right, I've got the Spaver vacuum beard trimmer. Here's this nice little box it comes with. I'm gonna set that off to the side. Here's the main device. So I'll turn it on really quick. So you're basically just gonna press the power button right there. There's two different modes. That's the low mode, that's the high mode. And basically as you're shaving, it vacuums all the hair into here, right here, right here. So that's amazing. It also comes with these two guards. I'm gonna show you both of them right now. So basically you're gonna slide that guard on like so. And from here, you can trim like that, or you can turn this knob and that will adjust. As you can see, that's sort of raising, so it adjusts the length of the shaving that you want to do. So from here, I am going to, let's just actually lower that all the way, and then I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to put on the guard that I want to use. So I'm going to use this guard. Before I use that, I want to show you, it comes with this charging cable right here that plugs in at the bottom right there, as well as this little comb right here. But so I have it on the shortest setting, and I'm just going to show you really quick how it works. So here we go. So it's getting it. I can tell it's shaving a little bit. And now we'll just do a little bit more. Oh, hopefully I was touching the microphone. Hopefully that didn't mess it up too much. But and as you can see, if you can see in there, there's a bunch of hair inside of there. So normally there's just tons of hair in the sink. Now it all winds up in here. Amazing. Highly recommend.